Welcome back to Stereo Installs. Today we're highlighting the Horizon 10 from Stinger, which replaced the High 10. The High 10 was an industry-changing head unit that was usable in different models of vehicles and had custom installations for Chryslers, Jeeps, and GMC, Chevy pickup trucks. But this is the replacement for that. The knock on the High 10 was that it only had wired CarPlay. The format of the software on it just wasn't the best, and the resolution wasn't the best. So this radio covers all those bases. High definition screen, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, 15-band equalizer. Same as the High 10, you still have the iGo navigation chip you can put in here in case you're like an off-the-gridder and you want to have navigation that's not ran off of your cell phone. It's IP65 weather rated, and then it also still is installable in all of the kits that the High 10 was installable in. And then if it's not one of those vehicles, you can custom mount it. It's a 10-inch monitor. If you want one of these for one of your vehicles, contact us at stereoinstalls.com. Also, at our brick and mortar shop at 7471 Tyler Boulevard, Unit B in Mentor, Ohio. We have them readily available and in stock to pick up or ship anywhere. We'll see you soon.